why to enroll in online program in order to get a PMP certification done. So I'm exploring this particular question. Now let me start with my story of doing PMP. In 2006, I attended a 4-day program where they taught me the project management, the complete knowledge, the PMBOK guide at that point in time. And after that, I was left to prepare myself and give the exam. And as most of my other participants, I waited for 1 year to even think about giving a PMP exam. And when the year was passing, I thought I already invested money in the training, why don't I do it? And finally, I prepared myself, put myself in a room for approximately 15-20 days and gave the exam and got certified. Now, when I reflect on this PMP preparation process, and I have been observing our clients also, and most of them were following the similar trend. They attend a class, they get some idea about the project management, after that they forget about it, there is nobody to facilitate the learning going forward, nobody to help them to clarify the doubts which starts coming in order to give the exam. Now, I designed an online program which solves this particular problem. When you enroll to our online PMP program, you can consume the content at your own pace. You can understand them, raise questions in our discussion forum, and attend our clarification sessions to clarify whatever is coming in your mind. And you don't have to do it in a rush. You can do the same thing in a classroom also, but you have a very limited time. In our online program, you have, say, the normally it takes 3 months for our clients to get the certification done. Some may end up taking up to 6 months, but you have your own time depending upon the type of work you are involved in. You absorb the content, you raise the queries, and you have a live discussions to clarify your own doubts. So I experimented this model, and this model is in place for more than 4 years now. It's too much actively followed, and we are seeing good amount of success in this way of handling our clients. Now, before that, we were also running classroom programs. The rate of people attending the class and giving the exam was very poor. It was less than 10%. And when we started this online program, the rate of people enrolling to the program and giving the exam raised nearby 70%. So maybe we started getting the people who are already serious about giving the PMP exam. We do get many clients who enroll to our online program after being through a classroom program or some sort of learning thing. It's okay if you have been through some classroom, it's okay, it was good, you got some introduction. But let's start from the fresh. When you start with us, you have to start from each and every video, reflect on them, and share your insights in the discussion forum and clarify your doubts. So this way, it helps you to get certified in the shortest possible time. The good thing is you have a one-stop solution for all your queries. You don't have to go here and there for practice test, looking help for filling up an application. Everything is provided in this whole program, because I personally faced the same kind of problem. I was confused about writing my application. I was confused about, or even dreaming about what kind of a question I can see in the exam when I was preparing at that point in time. So I was posting into various forums, and I was getting like not so validated information. People were sharing their views, but they were not that much authentic. So if PMP is important for you, enrolling to our online program may help you the most.